Hey friends, welcome back to our channel, the best place where you can learn about various technologies. My name is Sushil and today I'm going to explain how to install Windows 10 step by step. Before we proceed, if you are yet to subscribe, then take a second and hit the subscribe button. Change the boot order and select USB storage as a primary boot device. For making Windows 10 bootable USB with Rufus, kindly refer the video link provided in the description box. On the Windows setup, click Next button. Click the Install Now button. Enter the product key here or click on I don't have a product key if you are planning to activate later. Select the proper edition of Windows 10. I am selecting here Windows 10 Pro N. Kindly note this selection must match the edition that your product key activates. If you don't select the correct edition, Windows 10 won't activate and you will have to repeat the entire process. Click the Next button. Select option I accept the license terms and click the Next button. Click this option Custom Install Windows Only Advanced to continue with the clean installation. Select the empty drive, that is drive 0 unallocated space, and click New button to create primary and secondary partitions. Now select primary partition to install Windows and click Next. Once you complete the steps, setup will install a fresh copy of Windows 10 on your computer. Enter login name to create administrator user. Now create 3 security questions for password recovery. You can use Microsoft Store to install necessary apps. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, kindly subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel, as we are going to be share such more technical videos on our channel. Thank you.